different setup. I'm gonna be spinning. So this is my spinning device. It's 20 by 20 ceramic tiles, and in the center it's got a spinner, one of the spinners. I install it there, and it's very nice because it moves, like forever, So you're gonna see it in action very soon. I will show you how it looks inside later on. Okay, this is the inside. This is covered in how you call that? Food wrap. Yeah. That's for me to contain, the dripping. I want to keep my plates clean, my ceramic tiles clean. So you did what I did. I did put one of those small samples that they give in Home Depot, and I glue it there. And then on top of that, I glue one section of the spinner. And the other section is in the other tile, also glued, you see? That one is also covered in that wrap. So I put it together, and that's why you see the spinner moves, so fast. The reason I put this one is to make it higher so that tiles don't touch each other when I spin, okay? All right, see you guys around. Okay, here we are. Let's see. So I have my 12 by 12 canvas. I'm gonna be using the FolkArt milk paint white. I'm gonna be using my tallow blue mixed with black. I'm gonna be using some tallow blue also from Master Touch. I'm gonna be using some tallow green. And I'm going to be using some medium cadmium yellow. This is Pebeo, okay? All this is with the pouring media you guys know I use. No silicone anywhere. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be doing a pour with my 3 cups in 1 cup in the center, and the spinner will do the rest. The first thing I'm gonna be doing is layering down some white paint in the first chamber, in the outer band. Okay, I'm gonna be just putting some out there. On top of that, I'm gonna be putting some tallow blue with the black. And on top of that blue, I'm gonna be using some yellow. Because that section goes first, that's why I decided to put the yellow there, because it will go down. I'm looking to see if we get more of the effect that we didn't get from yesterday. So I'm gonna be just adding other colors as well. I'm gonna be just adding some magenta in the bottom here. I decided to put some deep purple also. Just again, this is like the testing mode, see how it goes. And on top of that, I will put some white there, because I would like to see how the effect goes when it also mixes in between layers. I'm also going with the tallow blue here. And what you guys think? We should put another thing here. What color can we use? Let me just put a little more of the green. Let's fill this cup. There's plenty of paint for that 12 by 12. So, and let's see. Let's put a little more here. I don't want to exceed the amount of white, but I don't want to also. What about the blue? Let's put some blue here. This is looking good. All right. Well, let's see what happens. Here we go. I'm gonna spin. I'm gonna put in the center, and the gravity will do the rest. Let's see. Let's try to stay in the same middle all the time. I'm letting drip. It's creating a nice effect there, so we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Give it a bigger spin now so that it moves. There you go. That's where the paint begins to move. That's why you see all the protection around. Let's take a look how it's looking. Oh my god. Unbelievable, man. Let's get some of the blue here. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Just gonna put some blue there. Looking good. I like it. I'm just fixing this corner here. This one is okay, this one is okay, this one is almost okay. Let's do a little torch to see if, eventually, because I look at some cells developing, you know, in some layers. That's also gonna get rid of bubbles. Very, very nice. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Okay, guys, hope you like it. I will be showing a little later how it looks. And yeah, very nice, very nice. See you guys in a bit. Thanks for watching. don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also, hit the bell to get notifications.